Hey everyone, this is Mike Hopkins, NASA astronaut getting ready to launch to the International Space Station as part of Expeditions 37 and 38. And I'm in the countermeasures training room here at NASA JSC, and today I'm going to talk to you about the exercise bike that we use up on orbit. Now right now it looks very similar to the bike that you might see in a gym here on Earth, but in reality when we get up on orbit it looks quite different. And in fact, this is a picture of astronaut Jeff Williams on orbit. And you can see we don't have the handlebars or we don't have the seat because you are able to float. So you just have to strap your feet in with the normal biking shoes and away you go. Now how do we start? Well, much like the treadmill, we actually have a control computer here, and it'll not only give us the different workouts that we might have on orbit, but it'll record our heart rate. It'll record what watts we're using, what kind of loads, and how fast we're going. And so again, we can look at that at the end of a workout and decide how well we're doing. And then another little piece, much like the treadmill, the bike has to be isolated from the station as well, because again, we don't want to impart these loads into the station. And so the bike is actually mounted on a rack like this, and it has vibration isolation system as well. And that system is these springs, and so there will be springs at each of these corners, and they're basically designed to absorb the load as you're biking. A little interesting tidbit here. So on orbit, when they first started using this, there was a lot of times when this spring would bottom out. And so to overcome that, well, they found a good use for dirty old socks, and so this we can put right in the middle there, and that'll help us keep from bottoming out. And so again, this is our exercise bike that we use up on orbit, and I sure can't wait to try it out.